We have upgraded our totals here across the state. This is the snow potential from Friday through Saturday. So this now encompasses the activity we'll see early Saturday morning. And that's looking to be about 1 to 3 inches far north and northwest into parts of Minnesota, 3 to 5 inches here across central and northwestern Wisconsin. Now looking at 5 to 8 just around the Wausau area and further southeast, and an additional 8+ inches for the areas that already had about 8+ inches from the storm system earlier this week. You'll also notice this slight 8+ total up here to the far north. That's due to the activity from this winter system moving in Friday and Saturday, but also due to the potential for lake effect snow, as we will have consistent strong northerly winds heading through the weekend. So this is the newest best case scenario, or most likely scenario, I might say, for the snowfall that's headed our way. For that reason, National Weather Service has increased their alerts across the state. Now a winter storm warning extends across much of central, northern, and southern Wisconsin. Blizzard warning over in Ashland County, as we'll see wind speeds up to 30, maybe even 40 miles per hour in parts of the Northwoods and central Wisconsin. Winter storm watch over here towards Price County, and a winter weather advisory in the western edge of the state. Our satellite radar picture, as mentioned, not showing much right now. We are in the calm before the storm for this evening. Should be fairly quiet and rather comfortable. But as we mentioned, the storm system is already showing up here in parts of Nebraska into Iowa, and it's forming a little bit further north, now impacting the central northern part of Nebraska and the northwestern corner of Iowa. That would bring it right on track to move through the southeastern corner of the state and bring much more snow to central Wisconsin. The activity we had earlier this week, the reason we had such low totals across central Wisconsin, is due that we were on the outside of the storm system. Now it looks like that outside of the storm system will be forming more over towards areas in Minnesota. Our future track forecast going to show that as well. So you can see the cloud cover sticks with us tonight, maybe a few breaks of sunshine, or clear skies, I might say, out there tonight. But you'll notice, because this northern extent of this system, it'll actually be arriving a few hours early. So we could see snow showers as early as 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning here on Friday, continuing for the midday hours and into the afternoon as well. That is consistent snowfall, which could be bringing in those ½ of a foot to more totals across central and southern Wisconsin. Into Saturday, not tracking too much. You'll notice that lake effect snow here early, continuing into the afternoon, but for most of us, we'll just see a few flurries and light flakes. Wind tracker also increasing throughout the weekend. We'll see northwesterly winds 10 to 25, gusts up to 40+ on Friday. Saturday, northwest winds 12 to 22, and that's going to bring our visibility down to 1 mile or less across much of central and southern Wisconsin, so we will be seeing whiteout conditions as well. 29 for today's high temperature, just a little bit of light snow early on as we track into the early start of the day. Otherwise dry out there tonight, low 20 degrees, mostly cloudy. Forecast tomorrow 27 with snow developing and some breezy winds. 7-day forecast 17 on Saturday, really turning cold by the end of the weekend. 3 degrees Sunday, single digit high temperatures for Monday and Tuesday before back to 11 on Wednesday.